Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase font size on Snapchat on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Snapchat app. Okay, then click on chat option. Tap on someone. Okay, then send text. Okay, then send. There your text size. Click on settings, then search on text size. Then this button is volume button, then swipe right, then your text size. Okay, then up your size, then check, then down, swipe left, tap on your text size is down. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.